So 46 here, we're asked to integrate this, okay, with respect to x. Before we do that, of course, we need to write this as a power. So it's cube root of x, it will be x to the power third. X on the bottom here, so take it up, yeah? So that'll be minus 7 over 2 here, with respect to x. So then, when you integrate, you add 1 on, of course, to the power. So 1/3 becomes 4/3. When you add 1 on, divide by that new power, okay? Take away 4 then, x, will add 1 to that power then, so minus 7 over 2, add 1 becomes minus 5 over 2, divide then by that new power, plus then a constant. And to simplify then, remember, just take the fraction on the bottom, so take the bottom number up, so it'll be 3x power 4/3 over 4. Same here, but this, first of all, sort the signs out. You've got two minuses here, it makes a plus. Take the 2 up, so you get 8x, so minus 5 over 2, divide them by 5. Plus then the constant. Okay, so that's part A answered. Part B, alright, they ask for the area under the curve here and this line, of course. Okay, now what I've done, you can see here, the best way to work out the area here is to split it into two. Okay, because if you draw a line down from C here, you can see to the left of it, you've got a right angle triangle. Okay, so you can work out the area of that right angle triangle quite nicely. To the right of it, you've got the area then underneath this curve. So you can work out the area under the curve here, and then area of the triangle here. And, you know, in order to do the areas, you need to know these values, and they give us these values in the questions, don't they? So that's why I filled them in here, okay? They tell us the coordinates in part B there. So let's start off with working out the area of triangle. So remember, half base times height. So it'll be half times the base. Now the base is that there, yeah? From minus 5 to 3 is 8. Distance there of 8, and the height is 16. So if I work that out, you get 64, okay, for the area there. Area then under the curve, okay, will be, well, integral of the curve equation, which is 25 minus x squared with respect to x. And the limits then minus 3 to 5, aren't they? So the lower limit's 3, upper limit's 5. So if I integrate that, we get 25x minus x cubed upon 3, between 5 and 3. So it's a case then of subbing in those values. Let's put 5 in there, of course. So put the upper limit in first, and then take away then the lower limit. So let's work out what that is to begin with. So I get 250 divided by 3. And let's work out the other one. So I get there 66. Okay. So then let's work out what the overall area is under that curve. So it comes to 52 over 3. So remember then, finally, okay, I've got the area here to be 64, and I've got the area here to be 52 over 3. Okay, you've got to combine them on here. So you've got to say total area equals 64 plus 52 over 3. So my calculator, that comes to 244 over 3. We leave it as a fraction, and we're done.